Converting palm fruit into that rich, vibrant red oil is a labor-intensive process, but the results are worth it.
We start by harvesting the ripe bunches.
Then we steam and press the fruit to extract the oil.
All starts with the harvest. We select the ripest bunches, characterized by their deep orange-red hue. Once done, we let them sit for 2-3 days. This naturally loosens the fruit from the thorny bunch. Two is the boil. We cook the loose fruits in large drums. This softens the fibrous mesocarp.
Keep it steady. Don't let the fire go down.
Yes, I am. The oil is coming out well.
Good. Keep stirring.
Fleshy part and helps break down the oil cells. You'll know they are ready when the skin cracks easily under your thumb.
All right, pouring them in now.
Let me check one.
Now for the muscle, we pound the boiled fruit to separate the pulp from the hard inner nuts. We want a consistent mash. This is where the oil is released from the fiber.
Under high pressure, we squeeze the mash.
Steady now. It's flowing.
I feel the pressure.
Good. Keep it coming.
What comes out is a mixture of oil, water, and some sediment. This crude oil is the heart of the process.
Press harder. The oil is flowing well.
Yes, it's coming out strong.
The final step is clarification. We boil the crude liquid. Since oil is lighter than water, the pure palm oil rises to the top.
Skim it off carefully, leaving behind any impurities. This ensures the oil lasts a long time without spoiling.
From the palm tree to your kitchen,
Pure, unrefined, and nutrient-rich palm oil.
ready for the best stews in your kitchen. Pure, unrefined, and nutrient-rich palm oil.
A pro tip on safety. When boiling the oil in the final stage, keep the heat medium-low.
I see. Why is that?
If the oil gets too hot, it can bleach, lose its red color and vitamins, or worse, catch fire.
For the best palm oil, how do you reserve it?
When boiling the oil in the final stage, keep the heat medium-low. If the oil gets too hot, it can bleach.
Medium-low. That's the secret.
If the oil gets too hot, it can bleach, lose its red color and vitamins, or worse, catch fire.
Did this video make your day? Please kindly like this video.
Comment, follow, and share. One love.